Hey up, right, so we're going to give you a little update where we're at. What's been happening. I'm currently up in Scotland for a Easter break while the kids are on holiday. You know, we went to see the Southerly, where were it?
Falmouth. In
Falmouth. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky, I'm filming it on my phone. Boat, brilliant boat, had so much work done on it. It was £20,000 worth of work, it was a great boat. But the size of it inside were just no storage, were there?
No, not for four of us. Two of us, absolutely fine. Everything, there was a lot of things that we absolutely loved about it. We couldn't get past the nowhere to store anything. Compared to other boats, it had very little, didn't it?
Yeah, we compared it to the Beneteau 36cc that we saw. Which had a hell of a lot more room inside, didn't it?
Yeah.
A lot more storage.
The sleeping arrangements for the boys were really good.
On the
Southerly.
Southerly, yeah.
But they had nowhere to put anything. But apart from that, the claustrophobicness going into our cabin as well, you had to duck right down and they were just...
Yeah, it felt very old.
No,
it's hard to explain.
We do like a project.
It was cramped. It was very cramped, weren't it?
Yeah, we wouldn't have been able to manage.
So that leads us on to the Beneteau Oceanis 36cc, which we had an offer accepted on. We got the boat hauled out, booked in a survey, had a survey done, and a few things came back on the survey that we weren't. What needed addressing. I'm not going to go into detail because
they were just too much.
Yeah. And
we couldn't afford, even with them dropping the price, we couldn't afford to get it ready at all. No,
it had some things needed doing to it, which most boats do. I appreciate that. But it was just puffing and panting up, walking up a hill.
We're so unfit, aren't we?
Walking up there. Yeah, so it needed work doing. I'm not going to go into detail because it's not fair on the seller because the boat's still up for sale.
We still loved it.
Yeah.
We do still love it.
But we calculated some of the repairs and things and we made a revised offer, but it weren't accepted.
He weren't going to come anywhere close to what we'd need him to drop it by to get the work done that we needed, would we?
No. So we...
fair enough.
Called it a day on that one and
yes.
Walk away from it and keep looking. We're
looking all the time.
No, we don't stop looking.
No. And there's other ones that we really like the look of. They all tend to be older.
Yeah.
We've got our practical back up in Scotland in Largs next month.
We're going to do a video on RYA because I've just passed me RYA theory. Yay! That's been a mammoth task. But yeah, we're going to keep looking. We made a couple of offers on some other boats. Well, two Moody's. We like the layout of the Moody, don't we?
Yeah, we really like them.
So we'll keep looking and we shall let you know. And we're gonna. I don't know if you can spot
Kyle.
Lesser spotted Kyle.
You can hardly see Liam in his camo.
Yeah, you can't see Liam in his real tree. But we're going to leave you in. Well, we're in sunny Scotland, enjoying this little short break. I keep looking to that side where the camera's there. I do it all the time. Yeah, we'll leave it on that because I know it's a shaky video.
No, it's not very good, but we do apologise. We just wanted to keep you updated.
Yeah. Right, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. camera.